Welcome to Jamaica. This is Koja Country Lifestyle. Pleasant good day or night or morning wherever you are watching my video from. Welcome to Koja Country Lifestyle YouTube channel. First I have to thank all of my subscribers. Special welcome to all new subscribers, Welcome to Koja Country Lifestyle YouTube channel family. Well, today I'm gonna do the sweet potato pudding. My fans, they call it yam in North America. Let me show you the sweet potato. This is a sweet potato. They call it yam. So I'm gonna peel all of these. When I said peel, remove the skin, and I have to grate them first. Use a grater and grate them. Then we're gonna mix it up in all the flowers and sugar and so forth like that. They actually purchase these at the market. Now going to burst my dry coconut and then take it out of the shell and then grate it and juice it out and so forth. Please take a look at the coconut. That's the dry coconut. To save time, I just blend it and squeeze it out. Please take a look at the juice. That's the thick coconut milk, the juice, to go in the mixture of my sweet potato. For the first time I'll be trying this method. I dice up the sweet potato. I don't really grate it this time. I'm gonna try a different method this time. This is how I dice it up, my fans. I'll dice up, so I'm gonna get it, crush up, in my machine. Instead of using grater and grate, just trying a different method to see if it is easier this way. Fans, it work perfectly well. I'll get the mixture perfect now, the sweet potato, and I save time. It is easier this way to me. Please take a look at it. It's a huge potato pudding I'm going to bake for all of my subscribers. See there, my fans, in my Dutch pot. That's the mixture of the sweet potato. I blend up like the dark sugar in it and the nutmeg, the vanilla, the rose and almond, salt. So after add, gonna mix like some flour, the white flour, to get it, nice and firm, and put some baking powder in it also. It's gonna be a very large sweet potato pudding. Can actually taste it already. Catechin, big up yourself. You say you bake your caramel pudding. Cecile, big up. Myla, big up. Stone Breezy, big up every viewer worldwide. All of my loyal fans, who like to watch my videos, please give the video a thumbs up. You must tell other people about my channel, and you must share the video too. Please share it, Let's go along and leave nice comment. Big up on yourself. So make sure you watch the video to the end, Alright? One love.
Rasta representing a Koja country lifestyle. Country life is so nice, yeah. Oh, what a crisis we living in. Things tough, but we still not giving in.
Fans, I just sieve out the flour now, So I'm gonna put baking powder to mix it up along with the sweet potato, Everything blend up and grate and nice and curry. This is a sieve flour, my friend. My fans, this is baking powder. One, you drop my phone. 1, 2, 3. Just put 4 of that. I'm gonna mix up the sweet potato along with the flour. This is me mixing up with, you see it, my fans, sweet potato pudding, to bake sweet potato pudding. So I have the flour. I do have all those, what you call it, spatula, or what you call it, like them people in America. So my kitchen is a country outdoor stuff, not a good kitchen, you know, comfortable. See, you can't make it too soft, my fan. Yeah. If you make it too soft, you're gonna have a problem. Like the cornmeal pudding now, you have to make the cornmeal pudding very watery. But you have to have gum in this so you can actually feel the gum. A lot of people say they just cannot get the sweet potato pudding to come out good. It comes soft when they make it. Welcome to my channel if you are watching for the first time, fans. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up and watch it to the end, comment on it. Grease the pot, I just grease it with some butter, my fans. This is outdoor country, the Ella top and Ella bottom style of baking. So they are use like a little butter to grease the pot. This is a Dutch pot, country lifestyle this. So what I use there, most people use a charcoal when them baking in Jamaica, them pudding vendor them, and others bake it in them stove, them oven, but these are hillbilly person, country life, use a coconut ox to do the baking and it don't taste with no smoke when I bake with it. I just pour in the mixture into the pot now. Please take a look into the pot. Look there, I'm catching. Oh, beautiful. Cecile, Myla, sweet potato style, the outdoor settings. I see the little smoke pushing through. Stone breeze them in the garden. All of my fans them watch my channel. All of my new subscribers them welcome to Jamaica, to culture, country lifestyle, baking. Lola, big up yourself. Laman, my friend, big up. Paulette in UK, big up girl. To the Ella top catching up there. Yes, my fans, the pudding is on its way, looking good now, my fans. Sweet potato pudding. Look from this, I'm gonna mix up, like some nice syrup water stuff, like with the dark sugar, and coat off the top with it. Please take a look at it now, fans. Them Cecile, Catechin, all of the folks, them. Look. Sweet potato pudding. Really see it, my fans. Wow, this is culture, country lifestyle living. Baking pudding a Dutch pot, not the oven bake. This nice at more than they want to bake in the kitchen oven. Outdoor atmosphere. There the Ella top. The coconut is a very important thing, to have coconut. I utilize up it a lot. Anyone that would like this of my pudding, please leave in a comment because I'll share it all of my subscribers. Everyone who subscribe to my channel. And welcome every new subscriber.